Paneer Do Pyaza. The reason it's called Do Pyaza is due to the fact that onions are used in two ways in this dish. First diced and browned and then cut into cubes and added at the end of cooking. Ingredients: paneer 200 gram, cut into 1-inch pieces. Onions, fine chopped to medium. Onion petals to small onions. Green chilies, slit 2. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. Tomato puree 3 tablespoons. Cashew paste 10 to 12. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder a half tablespoon. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Coriander powder 2 tablespoons. Garam masala powder a half tablespoon. Kitchen King masala half tablespoon. Kasuri methi 1 tablespoon. Oil 2 tablespoons. Salt 1 tablespoon or to taste. Preparation: fine chop to medium onions, peel petals of the 2 small onions. Make a paste of 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Cut the paneer into 1-inch cubes, around 12 pieces, lightly pan fry them. Remove, set aside. Lightly saute the onion petals. Remove, set aside for later use. Process: heat oil in a kadhai and add the whole cumin seeds. Once it splutters, add the chopped onions, fry till light brown in color. This should take around 5 minutes. Add the ginger garlic paste and fry for around 2 minutes till raw smell is gone. Mix in the tomato puree and fry it for a couple of minutes on medium flame. Now add in the turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Fry the masala for around 2 minutes. Once the oil separates, add the salt, cashew paste. Mix well, add a cup of water and fry till oil separates. Now add in the pan-fried paneer pieces. Sauteed onion petals, the green chilies. Mix well, add some water. Now add the Kitchen King masala readily available in the market. Cover, cook for around 5 minutes. Now remove cover, add in garam masala powder and kasuri methi. Mix and cook covered for around 3 minutes. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with roti or rice.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.